2021 is a big deal for Lotus. The maker of engaging lightweight sports cars announced that the production of the Evora, Exige, and Elise will come to an end this year. Fortunately, an exciting new sports car is just days away from being revealed. Called the Emira, Lotus has already upgraded its UK factories for the production of the new sports car, and we've previously gotten a glimpse of its sporty interior. To keep the anticipation building ahead of the Emira's online debut on July 6, Lotus has shared another teaser of its new car. The short, 8-second video shared on Facebook shows some shadowy details of the Emira that we haven't seen before. Although brief, we get a look at the front half of the sports car from the side, with some very defined body creases on display, flowing from the curvaceous front fender and into the door. We have previously seen the headlights from the front in another teaser, but this one gives another perspective from the side, with distinctive stacked lighting elements. Finally, there is also a new wheel design that's visible. The pointy front end and flowing lines create the impression of an especially aerodynamic vehicle. At this stage, technical details about the Emira remain a secret, although it will have the distinction of being the brand's final combustion-powered model. That alone should garner plenty of fans. Rumors indicate that possible powertrain options could include a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-pot or a supercharged 3.5-liter V6 sourced from Toyota. Both manual and automatic transmission options are possible. A starting price in the region of $75,000 is expected, and, while that's a lot more expensive than a Toyota GR Supra, it's well below the more hardcore Lotus Evora GT. All will be revealed in less than a week's time.